Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I know it's been quite a while since I've posted a new video, but life has just been kicking my butt. I will try my best to get back on track and to allow you to have your regular doses of Jamaican proverb. So today we'll be exploring the Jamaican proverb, I feel like gumbe drum without a goat skin. We will be dissecting the essence of this proverb, exploring its cultural significance, and the universal truth it conveys. But before we continue, I ask that you please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, to give a thumbs up to this video, and to also leave your comments below. So I feel like gumbe drum without a goat skin. At first glance, the imagery of a gumbe drum without a goat skin may seem perplexing to those unfamiliar with what a gumbe drum is. However, a deeper examination unveils its symbolic richness. Some of you might be wondering, what is a gumbe drum? I have never heard of that in my entire life. But the gumbe drum is a type of drum used in Jamaican and West African music. It is small in size with one head of goat skin. It's known for its deep, rich sound and is traditionally made with goat skin stretched over its surface. Without this vital component, the drum loses its essence, becoming hollow and devoid of its distinctive sound. Embedded within the proverb is a profound commentary on identity and authenticity. The drum without its goat skin is a metaphor for individuals who feel disconnected or out of place. It speaks to the emptiness that arises when one's identity is detached from its foundational elements, leaving one feeling lost. And I can tell you sometimes I can relate to what this proverb is saying. Maybe that's why I chose to do it this time around. Sometimes Jamaican would say you feel out of sorts. It happens, and I'm sure it happens to a lot of people where you're going about your normal life, you're doing everything you're supposed to do, and you just sometimes feel out of place sometimes. But this proverb is used to describe situations where people feel incomplete or unsatisfied due to a missing or certain elements of your life. It could apply to various contexts such as personal relationship, achievements, or even material possessions. The proverb, I feel like gumbe drum without a goat skin, is a reminder of the importance of honoring our roots and staying true to who we are. And in this day and age with social media and so many different influences around, it might be easy to feel either left out or to feel like you have lost your identity. So just be true to who you are. This proverb underscored the significance of acknowledging and embracing one's cultural heritage as a source of strength and vitality. Just as the goat skin imparts importance to the drum and the sound that it gives, our cultural heritage infuses our lives with meaning and purpose, grounding us in a sense of belonging and continuity. Moreover, the proverb speaks to the universal human longing for connection and belonging. When someone says, I feel like gumbe drum without a goat skin, they are comparing themselves to a drum that cannot function properly without its essential component, which is in this case the goat skin. In essence, they feel incomplete, as if something essential is missing from their lives or their situation. It conveys a feeling of emptiness, inadequacy, or a lack of fulfillment. In conclusion, the Jamaican proverb, I feel like gumbe drum without a goat skin, captures a deep truth about identity, authenticity, and feeling a sense of belonging. It challenges us to reflect on the essence of our being and urges us to embrace our roots and celebrate the diversity that defines us. Like the resonant beat of a drum, may this proverb echo in our hearts, inspiring us to live lives that are rich and full of meaning, purpose, and connection. And I hope that if today you feel like gumbe drum without a goat skin, that you may find your way to feeling whole again and feeling your sense of purpose and connection. Thanks again for watching this video. I hope that you'll subscribe to my channel, give a thumbs up to this video, share with all your friends, and leave your comments below. And as always, walk good.